Hey there, business leaders! Ever wonder how the structure of your teams influences your software products? Today, I'm diving into something called Inverse Conway's Law, from the book Team Topologies by Nathoo, Skelton and Pais. First, let's talk about Conway's Law. Coined by Melvin Conway in 1967, it states that organizations design systems that mirror their communication structures. In other words, if your teams are siloed, your software will be too. Now, let's flip that around with the Inverse Conway's Law. This concept suggests that by intentionally designing your teams to reflect the software architecture you want, you can achieve better outcomes. Think of it as shaping your team structure to drive the product you desire. Let me illustrate with a story. Imagine a software company, TechFlow Inc. They were struggling with a monolithic application. Their teams were siloed, and the product was clunky and hard to update. Then, they adopted the Inverse Conway Maneuver. They restructured their teams into smaller, cross-functional units, each responsible for a specific feature of the application. Over time, their product transformed into a sleek, modular system. By aligning team structures with their desired software architecture, TechFlow Inc. boosted productivity, improved quality, and sped up delivery times. It's a game changer. So, if you're looking to revolutionize your software teams, consider the Inverse Conway's Law. It's not just a theory, it's a strategy that can drive real, impactful change. Thanks for tuning in. Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insights and share it with your friends and colleagues. Our vision is to create a network of leaders and entrepreneurs that want to make an impact. Also have a look at Amazon books by Anil Nathoo for further topics on business mastery. All proceeds are donated to charity in support of cancer research, so please consider supporting this cause and paying it forward if you can. If you have a passion for artificial intelligence, then follow us on our sister blog called The AI Coach, where we delve into all things AI. Thanks for watching. Keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep growing 1 hour at a time. Join us again on the 1 Hour Guide, and let's start making an impact together.